Ladies and gentlemen, you are still not ready for this.
Botany, a subject that I just thought it was easy, but at least for the time it isn't. So hello everyone, my name is The and currently you are on a move with us. This is day 6 of the chapter comeback and yeah, let's just get started. Practical subjects has always been my favorite because they just have some low content and more to cram and all that. That's why majorly I took PCB and just thought that I would just get passed by doing so, and only the biology part was easy for me for the time. But when I just stepped onto the botany, it just felt unreal. Yesterday night when I just sat down to complete botany, it just felt so overwhelming. I wasn't able to expect this much from a subject that I just thought I would just do by cramming. Overall, it gave me nothing but a little demotivation that I wasn't expected from either this subject. Those diagrams, those long paragraphs were just haunting me anyway. Still, as you guys know, I don't take a step back. I just move forward and nothing can stop me from it. I did it just in 3 to 4 hours and the starting and the ending were very much different. Things that I just thought to be easy were very much hard. But the things that I expected to be hard turned out to be very much easy. So overall, it was a mixed experience for me. So thank you. This was overall week. This was overall backlogs that I had of every subject. And yeah, hopefully you would have liked this series. If you have liked, please leave out a comment and review this series out of 10 and tell me some tips to improve my content that you may like to watch in my next video. Signing off with very much learnings, with no backlog at least for now, and yeah, with lot of love and support. We just have crossed 600 subs and that's a pretty much good thing for me. Thank you guys, love you all. मिलता हूं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर लो because we are so close to 1k. Bye bye.